The JWEI brand, established in 1993, is a pioneer in China's intelligent cutting systems, specializing in independent R&D and manufacturing. It has been recognized as a national-level Little Giant enterprise and a Zhejiang provincial high-tech R&D center. The CHISAGE was founded in 1998, has been listed among China's top 500 manufacturing enterprises since 2019, and one of China's top 500 private enterprises since 2021. Its annual sales exceeded 30 billion RMB in 2022. JWEI's multi-layer cutting system keeps fabrics securely in place without shifting. The blade moves smoothly, supported by vacuum suction for stability, ensuring higher cutting accuracy. Additionally, JWEI offers greater output per cut and provides post-cutting data management. I have strong confidence in JWEI. With AI integrated into fabric nesting, the equipment will keep getting smarter with use, delivering better and better results over time.